Research consistently shows people don't like to feel they're at the bottom. This creates resentment. It hurts productivity and turnover in the workplace. Employers already tap this need in many ways. For example, job grading systems work to avoid using numbers 1 or 0 to indicate the lowest job grade. It's easy, though, to diss the importance people place on feeling superior to at least someone. Take an everyday example, standing in line. Those who are last are 2 times more likely to move to another line than those who aren't last. They are 4 times more likely to give up and leave outright. Do they know they're doing this because they don't like being last? No, they don't. So every day employers overlook this need, especially in entry-level positions. They overlook it in everyday interactions. To see more, go to my post, Tapping Feeling Superior to Others to Motivate Employees.